everybody, today is St. Patrick's Day. It might not be when you're watching this, but today is St. Patrick's Day here in Iowa, and I'm going to make one of our favorite things, and that is Rueben sandwiches. I'm going to make it the way I make it. I don't put Thousand Island dressing on there. I'm going to make my own dressing, so I'm going to show you how I do it. I am making the sauce that I use on my Reubens. I'm going to take some mayo, some ketchup, some horseradish. I usually use real horseradish, but I realized I didn't have any in the refrigerator, so I'm using the creamy horseradish today. So I'm using a little bit more than I normally would because there's not as much horseradish in the creamy. I'm going to add some pepper. And some garlic. I really don't like the Thousand Island dressing on ours, so just make this up myself. I don't know what it's called. You could probably use this with bloomin' onions. You could use this with onion rings, French fries. It's a good all-around sauce for a lot of things. But this is what we put on our Reubens. There you go. I'll be right back with you when I assemble the sandwiches. Super easy. So this is gonna go pretty quickly, hopefully, if I can get the packages open. I just go to the deli and get some corned beef sliced up for us. Okay, I'm not sure where exactly the pans are in your view, but I take some rye bread, some roast beef that we had sliced at the deli, take some rye bread, put the sauce on one side, put some meat down, put 2 slices of Swiss cheese on there. Put a little bit of sauerkraut on here. Depends on how much you like. I don't like a ton on mine. I put a little more on Russ's because he likes sauerkraut a little bit more than I do. I just put enough on there so that I know it's there. Not a ton. Put some more sauce on the other side. And then I do something that might be kind of backwards. I am going to put butter on the pan and then put my sandwich in. So I'm going to make another sandwich. Put the sauce on there. I'm going to put extra cheese on this one. Put some sauerkraut. This is Russ's, so it's going to have a little more than mine. I'm letting the pan heat up while I assemble the sandwiches. Over in this other pan, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got potatoes and onions and peppers frying to go with the sandwiches. This is just what I like to make on St. Patty's Day. I know it's not probably traditional, but it's corned beef and it's got cabbage in the sauerkraut, so close enough. And then I'm going to make one more for Rebecca. She's like me, she doesn't like the sauerkraut quite as much. Now you could go to the trouble of roasting your own corned beef and all of that stuff, but after work I like to try to keep things pretty simple. I got the last of the corned beef from Hy-Vee, and Walmart didn't have any, so I think I ran everybody out of, or St. Patrick's Day ran everybody out of corned beef. The already cooked corned beef, except I think I could get some over with the lunch meat, but this will work. There we go. That's all there is to getting the sandwiches prepped. I'm going to move the camera around a little bit and show you how I brown them. Alright, I got the pan going. It's a little hot. Hopefully I didn't get it too hot. Turn it down a little bit. And then I'm going to get 2 sandwiches going. So I'm just going to get some butter melted on the bottom. And get my sandwich going. Cover it up. Let that brown a little bit on one side. Got my potatoes. They're looking nice. Just shred up some potatoes, put some little bit of onion and pepper in there. Just pretty much making hash browns. Love some good hash browns. And you just flip over the sandwich. Oh, that looks good. Perfect. Let that brown on the other side. That is all there is to it. Quick and easy, and oh, don't those look good. They are delicious. I'm going to let the cheese melt just a little bit more. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Have a good night. God bless.